everyone, my name is Abigail and I'm a senior in high school. I think that everybody in some way, shape, or form has been affected by this virus. And for me personally, it's just been the fact that I'm a senior in high school, and I can speak for all the seniors when I say that things that we've been planning on and looking forward to have been changed. But if I've learned anything about my class in the past few years, through everything that we've been through, the ups and the downs, we're a really strong class, and we're really strong, and that's showing through this time. So something that I've been able to do more than I normally get to do has been bake. It's been really fun, and it's been a good way to pass time and try something new. It gives my brothers something to eat, which is always a fun thing, and it's been fun. So something that I've been doing to exercise on a daily basis has been taking walks with my brothers and my parents in my neighborhood, just throughout my neighborhood. It's been really good. It's just a really great way to get out of the house, to get some fresh air, to take a break, give yourself a brain break. And it's just also been a really good time to just talk and spend time with my family. And I'm really excited because in 2 days, 1.5 days, really soon, I'm adopting a puppy, and we're gonna bring her home, and so pretty soon we're gonna have another member of the family to take walks with. This is where I do my online school and my homework every day. I chose this place to work because it makes me happy. I'm surrounded by things that make me smile, like my flowers and pictures of my family, and I get to look out my window while I do my work. If you're doing online school right now, I encourage you to just find a place to work that makes you happy and that you're comfortable in. Just make the best of the situation and do things that make you happy.